The episode starts with Gotama saying Khande Rao will be going on the Rajputana mission. You will be staying here, right? Malhar says yes. If I have to go, then I will give Malwa in responsible hands. She says, you mean Ahilya? She is the most responsible. He says, right. She cries and goes. Yamuna hears this. She goes to Dwarka and says Malhar is favoring Ahilya again. He will give the Rajya responsibilities to Ahilya. Dwarka says Ahilya has a good fate. She always wins. Yamuna says yes. Dwarka says Malhar will make her a Devi. Gunuji comes and says Devi will soon become a Dayan. If this marriage happens, then a bad accident will occur. Then the people will not spare Ahilya. Dhannaji says, we will plan that accident. Dwarka asks, what do you think? Gunuji says, Sita told me that Renu and Prikshit are going to the temple with Ahilya and Khanderao. Anything can happen there. Dwarka says, I have told you many times I do not want any threat on Khanderao and Ahilya. There should not be any attack on a family member, but Renu and Prikshit can get punished for their crime. I have no objection. Gunuji says fine. Renu and Prikshit try to get Gotma's blessing. She steps back and taunts. She asks Khanderao to take them outside. She has to talk to Ahilya. Khanderao goes with them. Gunuji says, I have a chance to become the Senapati of Rajputana mission. Dhanaji laughs. Gotama scolds Ahilya and says, Khandera would have taken the decision in the darbar, but you have come there as Praja to appeal again. Malhar spotted you. The society is seeing us as the culprits. We do not know what problems will come on us. You have invited bad luck by sporting a scene like a widow remarriage. You will be responsible for everything that happens now. Ahilya cries. Malhar comes to Harku's room. She gets tensed seeing him. She asks, shall I get anything for you? Malhar says, our marriage happened many years ago, but you still get nervous seeing me. She says, you do not come at this time. You miss it. He asks, would not you apply perfume to my body? She smiles and gets the perfume to apply. He asks, do you think my decision to permit Renu and Prikshit marriage is right? Everyone is saying, she says, you can never be wrong. I felt so proud today when you made Acharya speechless by citing the Veds. You did a good thing for a widow to give her a new life. I am lucky to get you as my husband. Many people are saying a lot. The world will praise your move tomorrow. You are counted in the brave warriors of the country. I felt you are bravest because it's bravery to go against the society and supports the common people. Many get scared of losing the throne and step back, but you did not do this. Malhar cries and says, I made the people upset. She says, those who do not understand are upset. He says, many in the family are also upset. I do not want troubles in my family. She asks, are you talking about Gotama? He says, she does not like me sporting Ahilya. How shall I step back when Ahilya is right? It's the truth. Ahilya has started a new trend from here. Harku says yes. Gotama's annoyance will end. He holds her hand. He says, you are still keeping the promise to me. I am happy to see this. She smiles. He says, you are really Ahilya's well wisher and show her the right path. I can come in your room anytime without hesitation. I know there would not be any expectation or demand. I can share everything with you. Khanderao sees Ahilya crying and says, you always do what you think is right. He consoles her. She says, I feel bad when my family does not understand me. I was 9 years old when I came here. I was scared of Gotma. Then she loved me and took my mom's place. I feel bad when she finds me wrong. She cries. He says, everyone has different perception. She is scared after I got hurt that day. She got frustrated in worry. Do not feel bad of her words. Ahilya says, we will go now. We have to reach the temple. It's far. They leave. He asks her to smile and not get upset. She smiles, seeing Renu and Prakshit happy. Khanderao sees Ahilya and thinks her heart is really of gold. Who gets so much happy for others' happiness? I am lucky to get a wife like you. You are my life. They all leave for the temple. Ahilya tells about the temple. The goons are hiding on the trees.